everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS product order written via barcode application. It helps you to return the products or entire orders directly from the POS screen. You can easily access all the customer orders, select any order and process returns using the touchscreen or barcode scanner. It's a fast and convenient way to handle the POS returns with full order visibility. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database. And now I'm just going to the point of sale and opening the session. Here under the actions, you will find one option for the orders. So under that, you will see the orders which had done for this session. I'm just going to select one order and proceed with the return. Here I'm selecting and click on the return order. So here you can see the products are fetched and the amount is in the minus. I'm selecting the customer and proceed with the payment and selecting the cash. So here in the invoice you can see one return invoice is created and the amount is deducted from our invoices. Now I'm just going to the backend and selecting the orders. So here you can see the refund is created for the same. And under the payment you can also see all the information for the payment. And you can also see the return invoice is created for the same and the amount is adjusted. Just going to the orders and selecting one order, and under the extra information tab I'm selecting the barcode for the product. And now I'm just going to the dashboard and continue with the selling. You will find one option for return order with barcode. So here I'm just going to add that barcode and confirm the same. So here you can see with the help of the barcode the product data is fetched. I'm just going to select the quantity and you can see the return order and products are reflected. I'm just going to the make payment. So here you can see the return invoice is created. Now I'm just going to the orders and selecting the order we have completed. So here you can see the quantity is deducted and the amount is already settled over here. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.